next leg, and what we do now with our blueprint is important. So what we do is we come across to our sheet, 10% discount for instance, and we then say, all right, we've got probably not even this. We come to our raw data. So we've got the years of 2020 and 2021 for this data sheet. So you'll do this. Obviously, you've got your filter on already. Filter by condition, none, and then you'll say text contains. Let's put 2020 up, and you say, okay. Let's now look at our blueprint. Our blueprint goes date, quantity, cost, price per kilogram. So let's go back here. Date, quantity, price per kilogram. Cool. So we want, obviously, avocados there. So why don't we actually filter for avocados? You could do that if you wanted to. Just say clear, and then avocado. Click OK. And then you'll copy this one across. Paste under avocado. So I'm going to go like this, and let's see if this works. I'm going to put under date right there, 1V. Okay, so now that that's been done, I reckon that if you open this, you should see more data. No, you don't. So what you'll need to do is you need to come in, click here, and click date 1V. So now that's your avocados for, you can just write avocado over here. Or even better yet, you could do this. Now copy this, just hold shift down, click here. Actually, I'm going to click there. Command B or Control B to get rid of the bold. Cool. And then you'll do the same for 2021 if you want to do one account. So you'll do 2020. Now you'll change this to 2021. Click OK. Copy this over to here, and then do the same thing over here. Boom. So that's all avocados. You can actually drag this down like this until it matches, and then you can seal this off by going like this, going down to your next one. So just do that. I think you can even go to here if you wanted. Let's just try that. Yeah, so you still got 1, 2, 3 of those thingies that you can click on. And the question is now, is your formula working? So let's have a look. It's supposed to be working. Get rid of that. And let's just say price would be from there to there. Cool. Okay, so that's a bit of an issue. So let me just change that back. I should open up here and have a look. Where does this show for? Let's have a look quickly up here. All right, so here's all your details. Right. That means that we need to actually install one of these over here. Now let's try. Then that again. 3 of those. Boom. I don't know why that's not working now. You know what it may be?
You've got to take.
Let's check our formats. Change that to number. Change this one to number as well. Let me just open this up. Double click here. Double click backspace. Here. All the way up here. Click enter. And there's your answer. Alright, so that's how we should have done it. So you'll click from here all the way up to here, click enter. And now you'll have a document that makes sense. You can copy and paste this. So I'm actually going to delete all of these. And there we go. Okay, so now that's the bottom of your sheet. If you want to close it off again, go like this. And then you go up to here, right click. Hide. Now you've got your avocado details all together. Okay. Now let's just make sure that this works. That's one thing. I just want to quickly fix that up. Okay, let's double tap here. Backspace that. Get it from here. All the way to the top. Click enter. Now that this is not the correct format, Doesn't want to work. Very strange. You see this individual format's correct. Nah, you see, not correct. Oh, there we go, no wonder. There we go, different one. Number. Now it should work. Just make sure I have the right thing clicked on here. Okay, that's working. We do this, Command V, and all of a sudden you got your answer at the bottom there. This is the price that they will pay for avocados per kilo. And we'll move from here and we will shift and we will hide. That is one complete document. Now you go right click over here, add one below, and then you can just go like this. Copy. Maybe we add another one below. Let's put a channel and we click paste. That's now created your next little template. If you look here, it only refers to this detail. It's not going all the way to the top. So let's just say I jumped in here and I added some consumption data. Let's just say randomly we'll take these two, copy that. Notice that this data is the same as the one at the top. So we can just place it like so. Wait a minute. See what's happening here quickly. So they're going to be in here. Sorry about that. Okay, all your data's here. Let's quickly open up this one. And I'm going to say view, freeze, because I don't know which my columns are. So those are my columns. I'm going to go down. See when I get to the next slide. Okay, I feel like there's something peculiar happening. Avocados here, so this data is actually being taken from here, which means we should have a response at the bottom, which we do have. Perfect, so this is working. And so is this one up here. Now if I change this to 34, we should get a significant change across the board from a volume point of view. Let's see if this is the case. So we go avocados and our volume's changed. So now we're going to come down here, right click, and then we're going to hide. Now, we actually don't want any values in here. So let's go up and clear this up nicely again. So we're going to clear this all. Oh, you're creating a blueprint. So I want this to be backspaced. I don't want any avocado. Actually, no, you can leave avocado here. That's fine. Place this down here. Shift and then it's going to show like this. Hide. Cool. Next one is this one over here. Cool, avocados there. You'll need to break this down each and every time from the looks of things. It seems like that's the case because I've gone and done it this way. I didn't break it down 100 by 100 by 100. So what you should actually do is you go like this. Let's just go 103, I think it would be. And then hide them again. And then every time you work in them, hide and unhide. 104 should be 200. Is this right? Oh, man. Okay, let's hide that. Okay, and then we're going to do up to over here. 305 to there. Hide that. And now you've got this. So you can also hide this like this. Hide rows. And now you've got your avocado. Now you can duplicate, 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 duplicate. So I'm going to delete this. Cool. what you'll do is you'll go avocado, shift down to here. In fact, you can do this all the way up. Copy that. And then I would even say, yeah, is that one below? Command V. And there's your next one, and your next one, and your next one. And you make volumes of these. You then come across here, and you get your avocado, then your baby brinjal, baby Mary. You just copy them across. Like how I did this, baby brinjal, copy across to here. Command V. Now to go even faster, you do this, right click. I'm going to right click. Let's just do this. One copy. I don't like using right click, left click. I'm just trying to show you what to do. So to this, one copy. Copy. And now you've just created yourself a list of all of these different calculations that are automated. Okay. Format, number, automatic. Perfect. That's how you're going to set up the blueprint, and we'll take it from there.